Hello, the Easter weekend is here and the weather looks rather unremarkable. Vanilla, you might say. Typical April fare. Certainly nothing like as hot as it was last weekend. It will be quite a bit cooler. There'll be, yes, a few showers around, chiefly in the north. Many places in the south will stay pretty dry, and at times we should see a little bit of April sunshine coming through. What's going on? Why is the weather so benign? Well, let's look high up in the atmosphere at the jet stream. It is sitting across the UK and it will continue to gradually meander north and south through the long weekend. But there's no real oomph, there's no energy to the jet stream. There's nothing to really drive any dramatic weather our way. It does mean with the jet stream mostly focused across northern Britain, that is where our weather fronts, that's where the low pressure systems will come in. That's why we're most likely to see showers across the north with higher pressure hanging on across the south. For Good Friday then, let's put some details on. These two weather fronts will bring a pretty cloudy day, it has to be said. Some brightness in the south maybe at first, but those weather fronts also bringing bands of showery rain trickling southwards. Again, no real energy, no real drive on those weather fronts, so the rain shouldn't be too heavy, but it will be quite a damp day across much of the west, driest and brightest across the south, and parts of northern Scotland should see some sunshine, but there will be showers. Temperature-wise, 10 or 11 degrees with the rain, that'll feel quite cool, but we could see some brightness in the southeast, lifting temperatures into the mid-teens. Now, those weather fronts are out of the way for Saturday. High pressure starting to push back in. But look at the isobars, just squeezing together and follow them. That's where our air is coming from, down from the north. So actually on Saturday, it could well be a much brighter day compared to Friday, but it will be feeling that much colder. Those winds from the north bringing much fresher air. So a fresh feel to Saturday, but as I said, we should see some sunshine for most of us. May stay a bit glum in the far southwest, and there will be still showers, particularly across Scotland. May have a bit of snow over the tops of the hills. But for many, Saturday looks dry and bright, but there will be that rather fresh feeling wind. Into Easter Day, and on Sunday weather fronts returning, it looks like, particularly across northern Britain, so cloudy here with some outbreaks of rain, perhaps pushing a bit further south into parts of England and Wales. Again though, the far south closest to the high pressure staying dry, it looks like, for Easter Day itself. Still a bit of uncertainty about Monday, but it looks like most of the rain will be starting to pull away. It could well turn brighter again, but notice the winds again coming down from the north, and when the winds come down from the north, temperatures are going to struggle a little bit. So again, it will be feeling fresher, certainly a lot colder than last weekend. Quite a bit going on then, although the weather's nothing too dramatic. We'll continue to keep you updated. Of course, you can always find out more on the Met Office website or through the Met Office YouTube channel.